Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mindy B, and today I will be showing you how I installed this 28-inch wig, and I'll have the link in the description below. But please comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos like this. Now we can hop right into the video. To install this wig, what you will need is obviously you need some glue spray. I would use some glue, but I don't personally have any. I do have Ghost Bond, but it's not really a good product. But I can always work with this. This got to be glue, any hairspray. I heard that the olive oil or sprays is pretty good, but this is what I got for now. We're only gonna be working with what I have, and you also going to need a flat iron. Of course, you're gonna need this. Of course, make sure you always, for a flat wig, use this waxing stick. I got this from the hair store. And of course you're going to need a blow dryer. This is the old ouch this is the old way that I would usually do. So this is like all the new extra techniques, but I'm only going to do it the way I personally do it. I don't really wear my wigs that long. The longest I'll wear them for like it's a week or two, and I can just easily spray it, blow dry it, and I'm going. So let's get started. Just to mention that you're going to need some wig caps, brown wig caps, of course, whatever your skin tone. So this is what I got from the hair store. It comes in two. So before any wig installations or quick weaves, whatever, make sure you always oil your scalp. Just to prevent breakage and itching and dryness on the scalp. So that's what we're going to be doing right now, is oiling my scalp before I install the wig. So just a quick, just always, like, never ignore this part. Even when you're wearing like protective styles like braids, twists, locks, extensions, like whatever protective style you're wearing, never forget to oil your scalp 2 to 3 times every week, and make sure you massage it in to even help stimulate your roots, your hair growth. So that's what you're gonna do. If you want a flatter look on the top for your wig, make sure the braids is small. I was pretty much rushing when it comes to braiding my hair. I wasn't really thinking, but make sure your braids are smaller than these bigger, bulkier braids. I will be doing videos about my like how I take care of my hair and everything. But yeah, so yes, you can always want to make sure, and also to protect your edges before installing a wig, edge control gel, following this, whatever you personally want to use. Just make sure you slick your edges back for protection. So I don't have my my edge control, but I will be using this wax stick. So just easily slick it back. It's obviously what it's for as well. The wax stick and the mousse is the mousse I'm using is for the plucking, but using these two together along with this is gonna get my wig flat because I got these bulky braids, but that's okay. But yes, I'm gonna slick it back. I'm using this edge brush. It's old, you see that? But you know what? Every girl knows that the older the dirtier, the older the edge brush or the toothbrush, the better it is. And I'm always stand behind that, okay? But I do want to go through washing all my combs and brushes, because it's really not healthy just to be using something like gooky like that on your edges, on your hair in general, because it can cause breakage. But it is what it is, But today we ain't talking about that. We're talking about installing this 28-inch wig. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. So after oiling your scalp, getting your edges laid and protected, next put the wig cap on. I'm not sure if the wig is pre-bleached. That's what it says, and pre-plucked. But I can always use foundation. It is what it is. That's what I'm gonna do. I like to use like concealer or foundation that is lighter than, like lighter than my skin tone, because that's how your like majority of our scalps is anyway, and it gives us a more like a natural look. So that's what you want to go for. Okay, so yeah, I'm not gonna do the wig cap method, but I don't think it's the wig cap method. I don't think it's necessary. I'm gonna be very honest. The wig cap methods, I don't find them necessary. I feel like it's all about how you personally lay the lace in general. I feel like that matters. But so yeah, I mean, it's up to you guys if you want to do wig cap method. I don't often use the wig cap method. I don't really oftenly wear wigs. I like to wear protective style like braids and stuff like that. But today, this week, we're gonna be wearing a wig. So for now, let's get into this plucking, and that's what I'm gonna do before I go ahead and pop this wig on my head. I'm gonna do some plucking, a little bit plucking, and then I am also going to put a little bit foundation or concealer on top. So I did the foundation thing, and I have plucked it. I'm not exactly sure how good it looks after being plucking. I don't really know much about it, but I mean, I done the best that I could. It is what it is. I will say though, when you do pluck, make sure you're kind of layering when you're plucking and don't pluck in the same spot. You do not want to pluck in the same spot. It's just not gonna look good when you do that. It's also gonna mix up the wig, and you can poke holes through it. You don't want to even poke holes through it. Be careful even when you straighten the wig with a hot comb. You do not want to burn any holes through this wig. As you can see, I realized how transparent this lace is, so it is important for me to personally do the wig cap method. I really try to avoid it because I really don't feel like doing that, but we gotta do what we gotta do in order for this wig to be installed pretty nicely. I don't think I did too bad with the plucking. I could pluck a bit more in certain areas. Let me see. Just put that down. But it is what it is. Yeah, I could do better with the plucking. Yeah, but I'm gonna do the wig cap method real fast, and then you can finally install this wig. Hey, I look like a donkey doink, but who's not a donkey doink these days? Seriously, like, who's not a donkey doink? We all can be a donkey doink. So, reason why I don't want to do the wig cap method, because I just don't care for it. But today we have to. We have to, so just pull it down as far as you can. We're gonna do it like that though. But so I mean, it is what it is. Just spray it. Spray, spray, spray. Spray it down like that. Wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I really want to stay. I really want what I really need to know. Can we get it together? I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah.
Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body.
So yeah, I might have to cut what's right here. All that is right there. Yeah, all that is right here. I'm gonna have to cut. So just make sure you're measuring and everything. Mark where you're at if you have to. If you have like a pen or a marker, just All right, lift it up, cut downwards. Carefully though. I know it looks like I'm being very careless, but it is. But yeah. Like same thing up here too, like cause I got a widow's peak. Like my hairline is like this, and I gotta like this. So I don't know. Even my widow's peak be showing through. And it's embarrassing.
Right all the time, baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. Can we get it together? I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says
Make sure you're cutting the wig cap to where the hairline of the lace is, where you're pulling it down at, especially when it's transparent or anything. But yeah, I'm gonna melt this wig down. Let me get rid of this part. It's driving me nuts. But yeah, I'm gonna grab my scissors, grab the spray, and I'll come right back. I got the spray. I need it here before I you know what? Yeah, I have to Okay. So I'm not exactly sure how this is going to be done for as like the cutting part, but cut it down into sections, of course. Hmm. Okay. All right. So I want to get this part. Yikes. I really am hoping that I'm not doing this wrong. So, okay. Okay, you know, I'm not going to use this. I want to make sure I actually get rid of this. So, this here, take it there. Nope, that's just that piece. Okay, cool. Oh, y'all, work with me, bear with me, be patient, all of that good stuff, because I'm not really used to any of this. I don't know. There's a sharp part too that goes with it. Okay. I just try to pull it. Ah, look at that. Look at that. Okay, because I'm really, I don't know if y'all could tell, but I really am stressed out about this. Maybe try pulling them out in sections. Am I strong enough? Yeah, nope, I ain't strong enough. I did pull a little piece out there. Okay. First is here. Put the piece down. Ooh, this is. Ooh. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I finally got that part down because that was stressful. Ooh. Yeah, let me see. Pull that out. Yeah. Okay. Not looking too bad. Alright. Got that part out the way. You see? You see? Okay. Alright. Be very careful. You don't want to cut straight. You know, you do not want to cut very straight. You want to make sure you're cutting like diagonally for a natural look. It's gonna look very weird and wiggy if you cut it straight down. Another tip, like I said, always make sure you're cutting down as you cut. Okay.
Wanna bleed even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy.
So let's finally melt down this lace and all that good stuff. Let's finally get that together. Got a whole lot of hair. This is how much hair I had to pluck and all that stuff, but it wasn't too bad. Whoa. I'm always losing something. Okay. Sorry. I'm gonna get all these extra hair. Anyways. So, I pretty much just included a lace. What I like to do was easier for me. Shorten up the time, really. Is to. I do have a lace band. I'm not sure where it's at though. But I'm sure it's somewhere around here. But you won't need something like that or a scarf. But I'm gonna put the lace down where you want it. Make sure it's done. It's just right here, just exactly where it's at. Put it back a little bit more because, yeah. This right there is fine. Alright, right there. So I'm gonna go very slow during this process. So spray, dry, spray, dry. That's what we're gonna be doing for now. So you see how I just did that part? That's something you're gonna want to do for the rest of the perimeter of the lace. Excuse me. But yeah. So let's hop right into it.
I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. Can we get it together? I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say this, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so.
Okay, after all the struggles, I got this side flattened down. Pretty much did the whole entire melting down thing. It's looking a little rusty over this side, but that's okay. Nobody can be able to see that anyway. But I'm gonna show you guys how I got this side flattened down the way I got it flattened down. I might do me some edges, but I think I'm liking it without the edges. Yeah, I mean, edges, no edges thing. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's a debate. People talk about edges or no edges thing. Some people think no edges is a boring look. Some people think edges is a unnecessary look. I mean, I go whatever I personally prefer. I don't think anybody should knock down anybody else's preferences. But comment down below which one you prefer, edges or the no edges. But I think I feel no edges for now. But me personally, I like being extra and I love edges. I'm an edges girl. So, but I'm gonna show you guys how I got this side flat down. See the difference? And yeah, and after that, I'm gonna straighten out the hair and be a complete look. So, first, what you want to do? What I do? I get this wax stick. This is the Can you guys see it? Ooh. Yeah, so this is the product I use. I got this from a hair store. Yeah, so I like to wax it down all throughout the hair. Wax it all down, right? And then I like to layer it. Not too many layers. It's not necessary, but like, I'm gonna give it some layers through there, like a waxing. Wax. I'll put a bit generous amount of it right there. And then I also get, I'm running out of this, but this is the product that I use here. Can you guys see? I'm sure a lot of y'all know this, but yeah, all through there. And then voila, do that. Just move it right to here. So I looking like that, of course. Now I get this. You're a little crunching, a little burk. It's okay though. It's from the mousse. It's gonna do that. You're not burning the hair or anything. But you get this part here. That's what I like to do right there. Kind of just stick it down below. Alright. And then I do right here, like this, and then press it down. You see that? You see the difference? Right here, and down, up, down, up, down, just like that. Same thing over here, up and down. Press it down. This is all you're doing right now. You're pressing the roots. Press it, press. I have more. I like how this wax stick is giving this some shine. It's not giving it any white casting or anything. At least that's what it seems. So I think I'm gonna be getting this more often. I got this from a hair store in Westland, but I got one boosters out there. But that's where I live. So that's just probably you'll find plastics from the hair store, for your local hair stores. It's out there. You can get it from Amazon. You need wax sticks. Ooh, that kind of burn a little bit, ain't gonna lie. But any wax sticks you think you could find. This costs like $9 though. I'm sure you can find something cheaper than that. It's just expensive down here a little bit. Look at that shine, you guys. It's really, wow. Okay, that's a really nice product. I'm gonna have to make sure I get that more often. Yeah, I mean, it's coming along. So whenever it's like that right there, same thing. Get it? Get this? Here. Press it. Press it. Press it. You know, wax it down. And then, oopsies. Drop that up. And then press that out there like that. Inward, outward. Up, down. Up, down. Press it with a bit of pressure too. That's another thing. Pressure. Put some pressure into it. You know. Stop being scared. Put pressure. This is not your natural hair. Alright? So you don't gotta be scared. Just, you know what I'm saying? Cover up this part. I don't feel like we're doing that. I'm just press it down right there. Yeah, let me see. Here. I might actually do edges. But I'm good without it. For now. Let me just get this hair together first. Because this is what you're gonna do, guys. Press it, press. Front back here, it's not bad. It's just my hair is, my braids are thick and bulky. So the wig isn't as flat as I wanted to, but it's not bad. But this would have really ate if I did rush the process of braiding my hair and actually did smaller braids. But that's what you want to do when you're actually taking time to do a wig installation, is flatten the braids. Make sure they're flat and small, not big and bulky. You know, that's not cute. So just do some fruit touches here before I get ready to flat iron this thing. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. There you go, you guys. I think I'm gonna need to add some tracks to this here, just for the top, because I don't know. I feel like it needs more hair and density, to be honest, but okay. And there you go. I'm going to straighten out the hair with the flat irons and decide if I want to keep it with no edges. I think it's pretty with no edges. I just want to kind of cut it though, a little bit of layers. Just a little bit, not too much. I don't want too much layers, but just a little bit, you know. Just kind of like all right, what is right here. Just cut it up. I'm trying not to be too loud because the people I'm living with are sleeping and I don't want to be a disturbance. So let's put that out there. Okay, it's not bad right there. Just kind of cut it a little bit, you know. Okay. Okay. You know what? I'm not putting any edges on this one. Didn't install. Yeah. No edges on this one. And bring all the hair to the front. need to really straighten it, but yeah.
Can we get it together? I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it. My mind, and my body. My body say it. My mind, and my heart. My body say it. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. This is you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last.
Okay, everyone, I am finally done with this wig install. Thank you so much for staying along to this video. This is look like up front. This look like up close. I could have done better with the plucking, but I'm very satisfied. You see, guys, I have decided to do a middle part and stick with the no edges thing. I might do that more in the future. So to see more of this, please give me a like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and until next time, I will see you guys later.